You Mr. Robert Sharma?
Yes, I am Robert Sharma.
You come from?
Vancouver, Canada.
How did you come to know about this place?
Doctor, I have seen your TV interview on TV Asia, and through that I managed to get your phone number and get in touch with you.
You're suffering from?
I'm suffering from retinitis pigmentosa, which is a hereditary condition of eye, and no doctors in Canada or US have been able to help me. I have done a lot of treatments in Mexico, United States, as well as in Canada, and they have all given up same answer that there is no treatment, and I have to use the help of the cane and manage my life as long as I am alive.
So you can only have light perception, that's all?
Currently it's only light perception.
You get a little squint also developed. Yeah. Well, have you ever taken an injection of cortisone in the eyes?
No, doctor, no.
You went to Japan also, you had some treatment in Japan also?
Yes.
Yesterday was the first day, today is second day.
Today is the second day.
Did you feel any response?
Since yesterday I have noticed a slight cut down in my blurriness, and it has been holding very steady to this point. And I feel that further treatment may reduce this. I'll have to find it out tomorrow.
So this is a patient with retinitis pigmentosa who has come from Vancouver, Canada, and I have done many cases of retinitis pigmentosa, optic atrophy, macular degeneration with very encouraging results. The only thing, retinitis pigmentosa takes about 6 months' time in between well-paced intervals the patient has to come for treatment. And at the moment, Mr. Sharma has come here from Canada for 1 month treatment minimum, and then we'll go back to Vancouver, and then we'll keep him under observation, and he might have to take some more treatment. Either I go to Canada or he has to come to India. And since there is no treatment for retinitis pigmentosa, and we have got very encouraging results, very good results in not only retinitis pigmentosa but optic atrophy, macular degeneration, and weak muscles of the eye, squint and all that. And results are very encouraging. So we are doing here, and we hope for the best. Probably after about 1 and 45 days treatment, we might see some response. Thank you very much, Mr. Robert Sharma.
Thank you, doctor.